How to read the newspaper for IS. Tips for high school students. If you're in high school and dream of becoming an IS officer one day, starting early can give you a huge head start. One powerful habit that most toppers recommend is reading the newspaper daily. But simply flipping through pages isn't enough, you need to read with purpose. This video will guide you step by step on how to read the newspaper smartly and effectively, even as a beginner. 1. Choose the right newspaper. Start with the Hindu or the Indian Express, both are UPSC friendly and have quality content. If English feels difficult, begin with any language newspaper of your choice. 2. Understand why you are reading it. You are not reading to memorize names or events. You're reading to understand issues, not just news. Connect current events to subjects like history, geography, etc. Build vocabulary and improve comprehension. Form opinions and learn how to think critically. 3. Make a simple news diary. Maintain a small notebook or Google Doc with the following columns: date, topic or headline, why is it important, and your one-line understanding. This trains your brain to focus on relevant news and ignore useless gossip or political fights. 4. Focus on important sections. Only spend 30 to 45 minutes a day. Read smart, not long. Daily must-read sections. A. Front page, only major national or international news. B. National news, especially new bills, policies, Supreme Court and High Court decisions, etc. C. Editorials and opinion. This is a goldmine for learning analysis and writing style. D. Economy page. Budget, inflation, unemployment, government schemes, etc. E. Science and tech page covering ISRO, health breakthroughs, environmental topics, etc. F. International news, especially India's relations with major countries. 5. What to avoid. Don't waste time on A. Political party fights or leader speeches. B. Celebrity gossip and sports, except Olympics, world events, etc. C. State-level local news unless it's nationally significant, and D. Crime news, etc. 6. Connect with your school textbooks. When you read something like Monsoon Weekends in Southern India, pause and think, have I studied about monsoons in geography textbook? Go back to that chapter and revise. This is UPSC style learning. 7. Learn to Google the right way. If you don't understand a word, Google it. Example, what is a no-confidence motion? Read the basics. UPSC questions often come from such simple concepts. 8. Discuss with friends or teachers. If you read something interesting or confusing, talk about it. It makes you remember better and improves your communication. Also try to make like-minded people with whom you can discuss about the news you read. 9. Be consistent, not perfect. Some days you'll skip or get lazy, it's okay. Just don't stop. Even 20 minutes a day, consistently, makes a difference over months. 10. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone about your intention to become an IS officer at this stage. But always keep this goal in your mind and work for it without affecting your regular school lessons. Building the habit of focused newspaper reading in high school lays a strong foundation for UPSC preparation. It improves your knowledge, sharpens your thinking, and helps you stay connected with the real world. Remember, you don't need to know everything, you just need to stay consistent, stay curious, and keep learning every day. Your dream of becoming an IS officer begins with the small step of reading one article at a time. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.